Francis Ogolla.
Thank you very much, Nimrod. As you have rightly put it, it's a sad day for the people of Kenya, but more particularly a sad day for the people of Alego Usonga. As you may have heard, General came from here, and for the short time that he was in that position, especially since he became the commander of the Air Force, he has been extremely close to our people. And he's been close to the community, he's been working closely with the community, assisting in development programs, and even helping our youths to get positions in the army and in the defense forces. And so he's a person who touched many lives. So it's really a sad day for all of us. And our people are mourning, and they are simply asking for answers so that they could be told what really happened.
Mheshimiwa, lastly, sad indeed, because this is a day that you probably would have accompanied him to St. Thomas SCK Church for a wonderful event, consecration of a beautiful church, and also to celebrate with his family. Yesterday was his dad's birthday. But today we're here looking at these events that would have been, but they won't be.
Yes, I spoke with the General on Wednesday last week when he was confirming with me if I was joining him, because he had invited me to come and join him and his family for the 100 years of his father's celebration. And so after that, we were supposed to do the church and today and everything else. And so the community was expectant. And it is a sad day that these plans that he had have been turned into his own funeral. So it is really very sad. And all we are saying, as I've said, is as our people to mourn him, to celebrate his life, however short it was. And also something which we needs to go on record is that General Ogolla is the first Luo ever to occupy the office of the Chief of Defense Forces. So it is something that we really celebrate him for the milestone that he was able to accomplish for our community, and we are really celebrating him as we send him off.
Mheshimiwa Atandi, thank you so much. I'll let you proceed to the dais. Thank you so much. Mheshimiwa Samwel Atandi.